giving you a view. I'm standing right in the middle of the area. That there is the front door, or the only door. And we're gonna go ahead and go left. Little seating area, pretty blank. And then on this side, we have the sewing machine and the ironing area, the other machine, the AC, a little basket, cart, work in progress, window on that side, another cart with more work in progress, and then I have this table with the shelf that I've been working on, and this way that I have the empty space for the chair with the faux window and fireplace, basket, and we're panning back front of the door area, the exit, that's a work in progress. It's still coming. More little projects. Standing back a little so you can see. That's my little table. Not sure what I want to use it for yet. To get a pink little trash can. This will be the table, multi-use with an ironing board and the iron little bend to the bend. The drawers and my crate, noodles for projects, and then over here, I'll open it up and there's the door, which I don't know what to cover it with yet, and there's a screen, and that's what it looks like. That's why I kind of covered it, because I don't like looking at that silver thing there. And then over here we have the step ladder and the clock. That is the right time, AM, and there you are. And there's my sign I still have to find. Oh, and then I did work on this today. And there you are. I'll give you more details in a later video. Okay, what I've done today is those shelves over there. Was able to put only 4 because that's all I had. And there's still enough room there for the loft. But I got a couple of stuff up there. Not quite sure if it's gonna stay. If it's overhanging, it's not staying. The fabric is going to stay. I'm going to put more up there. I'm going to get some of those comic book boards. That batting is going to be used for the chair, so that's going to be leaving soon. And there's the AC and there's that. But I'm done for today. I think I've done enough damaged cardboard. Kind of organized a little. I cleaned up. I did do some vacuuming. So all in all, that's good. I was able to do all the backing. The shelving, I did get it done. So see what I can get done tomorrow. Okay, let me show you so far after the last part what I've done. Decided to change everything again, and this is what I've done so far. This is the entrance of the place. So you remember that chair or that bench, that table, and then what I added was that, because it just seemed like I needed something more tables for crafting or projects. And then over here I brought my other machine in. This is the what do you call those electronical ones? This one here, an old one that I've had, and I just had it underneath everything. It's the project runway. And then over here is my other machine that I have, my overlock. And I'm just going to cover them because it does get a little dusty when I have the, I haven't made a cover. That's something to come. And if you guys want to come and join, I invite you to come and see what kind of sewing machine cover I have. Your comments and input is always welcome. So if you have any comments, you know, of what I need, or you notice something is missing, let me know. I'll take it into consideration. That's the window. And then of course over here I have this one right here. What I would love, wish I can go back a little bit, I can't. Sorry about that. That's the street sweeper. Okay, so over there in the corner, that area right here, I would love to come up with an idea, and if you have ideas, please write them down in the comments, of a project organizational spot, things that I'm working on, you know, put them up there like little shelves or something. And that way, because like right now I have the upholstery of the chair still outside waiting for that. I still have all the pieces that I'm going to put on my tools and stuff like that. But I would like to put some kind of a shelving unit to put my projects that I will be working on. But that's so far that's it, what I've done. I just, hold on a minute. That's close up. Okay. So not much has changed other than those tables. Little seating area here. But this, I'm gonna go right into the corner, and that way you guys can see kind of like my little working area, my working station, my machines, my ironing. I have to change the cover of that. I don't like that. It doesn't fit in here. And then the little table for, you know, fixing things or whatever, or putting your iron on the side. And then there's the AC. So little things. I even put a little piece of duct tape on the remote control for the AC, so at least I can see it. And then of course those are the shelves. I was able to go ahead and kind of put some stuff in here. My threads. I have more, so I'm trying to bring them over. That one's empty. And then that's the bag that I have the machine items for that machine. But yeah, okay, so far that's it. Hope you guys are enjoying these little tours. You know, I'm not doing a traditional, you know, tour of my sewing machine area, my craft room yet, but will come soon where everything is done. Right now we're still in the process, and I'm just bringing you guys along with me. Okay. Till later.